Oh, hi, I'm Abu. I'm a producer at the United Nations Environment Program here in Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome to our channel. Here are 5 reasons why you should subscribe. The climate is changing and you care. We see climate change as an opportunity to make our world better. Our videos look at how entrepreneurs, researchers, countries, and everyday people are taking action. You love nature. We don't exactly do cute animals or ASMR content, but you'll definitely learn about the birds and the bees and about international policies that protect nature. You think pollution is gross. Because, well, it is. Waste and overconsumption is a growing crisis. We produce stories that show how together we can beat pollution. Multilateralism. What's that? You care about what other countries are saying to each other in the big moments like climate and biodiversity COPs, the United Nations General Assembly, and multilateral environmental agreements. You want to make the world a better place for all, and you know that a healthy, thriving environment is the greatest enabler of sustainable development. Healthy planet equals happy people. Thanks so much for watching. For more videos like this, subscribe to the United Nations Environment Program.